Welcome back, guys, to Tanner Vlogs. It's been a while. He's got better. And we also been taking some breaks of filming. Right now he's not in that mood. Oh, honey, in that mood? You in that mood? Hello? Tanner? Hello? I'll tell you guys when he finally wants to get up. Come on, let's wake up and let's go do a video. Posting every day, guys, hasn't been working out. It's really hard, so I thought we should do every week. Come on, Bubba, come on. That's something that you want to do? You want to do some treating? Some treats? Some yummy treats? Yummy treats? Yeah. Cool. I was going to get him. I was going to get him. Guys, here we are. There's a few things I've been working on the past few days. One thing that's been changed, he's a lot bigger than probably last time you guys see him. Okay, sit, give your paw, the other paw. Good boy! That's what I learned him a while ago. Give both paws. Took me a while. Now I'm still working on one. I'm going to show you guys this one. It's called roll over. Lay down. Lay down. Now lay down. Yeah. You're gonna roll over, remember? Remember roll over? Remember roll over? Did it yesterday. Okay, roll. Come on. Roll over. Come on. Boy. Couch is in the way. Good boy. And try that attempt one last time. Okay, line your butt. Line your butthole. Line it. There. Sit. Lay. Lay down. Lay down. Come on. Stop ignoring me. He's mad. He's mad that I woke him up just for this. And now he's ignoring me. Sit. Sit. Sit down. No, we're not giving paws. We're sitting. Sit down. No, we're sitting down. No, we're not doing. No, we're not. We're not doing that. No. We're not giving paws. Okay, lay down. Lay down. Lay. Yeah, good boy. Okay, ready to roll over? I'll roll over this way. This way. Okay, come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Lift the back legs. Lift the back. Lift down. Come on. Come on. Lift down. Lift down. Okay. He's not in the mood today. So, I'm planning on doing a Q&A video. If any of you guys don't know what a Q&A video is you guys write comments down below, and I'm going to answer. You can ask any question, and I'm going to answer them with this little fluff. Okay? So, that's basically what we're going to do. If you guys have any ideas for another video, please give me them. So, yeah, he's pretty much, right now, he's pretty much always crazy. He's like normal now. He got healed up. He's ready to go on the road again. By that I mean he's all good. So we might be doing outside videos and stuff like that. Right now he just wants to lay down. So yeah, probably it for today's video. I will post next week or maybe in a few days. So peace out.